In this video, we will explore the engineering behind a submersible vehicle designed for exploring the wreckage of the Titanic and conducting scientific research. We'll examine its interior, including the game controller used for piloting the vessel. By tilting or pushing the joystick, the submersible moves forward. We'll also walk through the step-by-step process of how the drone operates and discuss different possibilities regarding the Titanic's fragmentation, whether it was caused by deep-sea implosions or debris. So, stay tuned to learn more about the OceanGate Titan, a Cyclops-class manned submersible. Let's start by understanding the difference between a submersible and a submarine. Unlike a submersible is launched from a mother vessel or home vessel. It is typically placed on a raft or platform, which is then lowered into the ocean using 4 electric thrusters, allowing it to reach speeds of approximately 3 knots. On the other hand, a submarine can dive underwater without relying on external equipment and can surface using buoyancy. Now let's take a look at the components of this submersible. Number 1 is the mothership, named the Polar Prince, which serves as an icebreaker. Number 2 is the ramp used to transport the submersible to a specific depth. And finally, number 3 is the OceanGate Titan itself. Here are its specifications. The vessel is 22 feet long and 9.2 feet wide, which may seem small considering its ability to reach great depths. Its height is 8.3 feet. To put its size into perspective, it's smaller than an average human and even smaller than a small SUV. Despite its compact size, it can accommodate 5 people, a pilot and 4 passengers, although the passengers have limited space to move around and must sit on the floor. There is a toilet on board, separated from the rest of the capsule by a privacy curtain located at the front of the submersible. Inside the vessel, you'll find a joystick, which is actually a video game controller, and 2 monitors for steering the submersible. One monitor is for the sonar, while the other is used to control the submersible itself. The interior of the vessel is designed with simplicity in mind, making it one of the most basic deep-diving submarines you'll come across. Now let's examine the various components that make up this submersible vehicle designed for exploring the Titanic wreckage and conducting scientific research. The submersible is not a submarine, but belongs to the Cyclops class of manned submersibles. The primary distinction between a submersible and a submarine lies in their launch and diving capabilities. Unlike a submarine, which can dive underwater and resurface using its own buoyancy, a submersible is launched from a mother vessel or home vessel. Typically, it is placed on a raft or platform that is then lowered into the ocean using electric thrusters. This method allows the submersible to reach speeds of approximately 3 knots. The components of the submersible include the mothership, known as the Polar Prince. The mothership serves as an icebreaker. It anchors at a specific location where the Titanic shipwreck is located. The ramp. This ramp is used to transport the submersible to a specific depth. It gradually lowers the submersible from the mothership, the OceanGate Titan. This is the submersible itself. It possesses the necessary equipment and features to explore the depths. Let's delve into its specifications. Length. The OceanGate Titan measures 22 feet, 6.7 meters, in length, making it relatively small considering its ability to reach great depths. Breadth. With a breadth of around 9.2 feet, 2.8 meters, it is compact in size. Height. The submersible stands at a height of 8.3 feet, 2.5 meters. To put its size into perspective, it is smaller than an average human, and even smaller than a small SUV. Despite its compact dimensions, the submersible can accommodate up to 5 people, including a pilot and 4 passengers. However, the passengers have limited room to move around and are required to sit on the floor. It is worth noting that there is a toilet on board, separated from the rest of the capsule by a privacy curtain located at the front of the submersible. Moving to the interior of the vessel, there is a joystick used for piloting the submersible, which resembles a video game controller. Additionally, 2 monitors are available for steering the vessel, one for the sonar system and the other for controlling the submersible itself. The interior design of the submersible prioritizes simplicity, making it one of the more basic deep-diving submarines in existence. Outside the submersible, we find the 4 electric thrusters responsible for maneuvering the vessel. 2 inner space thrusters are positioned horizontally, while 2 more are located on either side of the vessel in a vertical position. At the back, you'll find the electronics equipment, which likely includes the oxygen and navigation systems. This section of the submersible is unmanned and has the ability to recycle carbon dioxide, regenerating 50% of the oxygen back into the cabin. This feature enables the submersible to claim a 96-hour oxygen supply. The front of the submersible is equipped with 4 lights specifically designed for deep-sea diving. With all these features, the OceanGate Titan submersible can reach depths of up to 4,000 meters, 13,000 feet, and maintain a speed of 2.3 miles per hour, 3 knots. To summarize, the submersible consists of the mothership, Polar Prince, the ramp for descent, and the OceanGate Titan itself. The submersible's compact size, joystick controller, and electric thrusters facilitate its exploration of the Titanic wreckage. Now, let's explore 5 scenarios through animations to speculate what might have happened to the OceanGate Titan submersible. Version number 1. The submersible's primary purpose was to allow tourists to explore the Titanic shipwreck, potentially leading to entanglement with the wreckage. Version number 2. The battery may have failed as it powers the 4 electric propellers. Version number 3. The extreme pressure at the ocean's depths could have caused the glass within the vessel to crack. Version number 4. The submersible's sonar system, responsible for communication with the mothership, might have been damaged during the journey, leaving the vessel unable to navigate away from danger. Version number 5. Although we hope the submersible would have resurfaced, the fact that it can only be opened from the outside poses a challenge for communication with potential rescuers. According to reports, an implosion occurred, resulting in the submersible exploding from within, with debris located about 1,600 feet from the Titanic. The debris consisted of 5 parts, as depicted in the animations. To wrap up, this video provides an overview of the OceanGate Titan submersible and its engineering. We discussed its interior, the joystick controller, and the step-by-step process of how the submersible operates. Additionally, we explored different scenarios that might have caused the submersible's incident near the Titanic wreckage. Make sure to subscribe for more content, including future videos on topics such as the F-16 fighter jet and nuclear submarines, rendered and animated in 4K 3D graphics.